Welcome to the MCPScan Hackathone demonstration. MCPScan is a zero-telemetry security auditor designed for model context protocol infrastructure. Modern AI tools and developers frequently connect to MCP servers over HTTP on all interfaces without authentication. This allows attackers on the subnet to execute shell commands, run SQL queries, or access sensitive files. MCPScan solves this with automated discovery, non-intrusive auth checks, and credential masking. Here is the MCPScan architecture. Built in pure Go with zero CGO dependencies, it features a concurrent TCP port scanner, a 3-layer JSON RPC MCP detector, an embedded SQLite audit storage, and specialized parsers for local AI tool configs. It runs 100% offline with zero-telemetry. To test MCPScan, we start a realistic test cluster of 3 microservices. Server 1 on port 8000 exposes file system and shell execution tools. Server 2 on port 8001 exposes unauthenticated SQL database tools. And Server 3 on port 8002 is secured with bearer token authentication. All 3 microservices are now active on local TCP ports. Now, we run our first test by targeting specific ports, 8000, 8001, and 8002. In just 7 milliseconds, MCPScan verifies the endpoints, discovers tool capabilities, and extracts dangerous parameters like shell commands and file paths. It correctly classifies the 2 unprotected servers as high risk, and the token-protected server as low risk. Next, we run MCPScan local without specifying any ports. In enterprise subnets, security teams don't know which ports shadow MCP services are using. MCPScan automatically sweeps standard MCP port ranges in 2 seconds, discovering and auditing all running microservices automatically. In our third test, we audit local developer environments with the include Stdio flag. MCPScan inspects local AI tool registrations, including Antigravity IDE, Cursor, and Claude. It detects Antigravity's active Stitch MCP server with live PID matching, and automatically masks sensitive API keys to prevent secret leakage. For CI/CD pipelines, MCPScan exports structured JSON reports. It computes deterministic SHA-256 hashes for all tool definitions, allowing teams to detect rug pull attacks where a server's capabilities are silently altered. MCPScan is fast, lightweight, and 100% open source under the MIT license. Single static binary releases are available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Visit our GitHub repository to get started. Thank you for watching.